Okay, so during a recent remodel of our home, I actually replaced every single doorknob with this doorknob right here, and it is actually really, really pretty. It actually sits very, very well. It's a matte black. It was really easy to install. I actually did all these. It might not look really perfect, but it is, I'm not as savvy as everybody else might be, and it was really easy for me to install. But it comes with all the hardware that you actually need. You actually only need a screwdriver, and the color on them is like a matte black. It's not shiny, but very sturdy. It's a little bit on the heavier side. With the matching hardware on light colors, it actually looks very stunning. I would recommend this for anybody looking to upgrade on a budget.